Hey everybody, this is Kai, and I wanted to talk to you today about my top 5 reasons why I promote the EPX body system. I absolutely love it, and here's why. Number one, I absolutely love the diversification of products. EPX body not only has weight loss products, they have health nutritional products such as vitamins. They also have a business suite, and they also have a tax app along with a discount program. They have such a wide variety suite that is so easy for someone to jump right in, get a position in the company, and pick what they want to market. I absolutely love that about this company. Number two, the nutritional products work synergistically. I know there's a lot of companies that will throw everything into one formula and say, here you go, you don't have to take anything else. Well, those of you who know about nutrition know that there's certain formulations, there's certain things and products and herbs that need to be mixed together. Sometimes you cannot mix garlic and L-arginine. You cannot mix something like aloe and vitamin D. I'm saying that they have done the research and come up with the correct formulations that you can pick which products you need to use and take them together, and together they will infuse and work synergistically in your body to give you the results. So I really love that because it makes it easy for us to come together with different packages that suit your individual needs. And it makes it easy for you because you can take them all at one time without worrying about any side effects or any issues with taking them, together. Also, number three, I absolutely love our corporate team. I don't know if you guys know that, but our mission with EPX Body is that your past does not have to equal your future, that you actually have the power to break the cycle of obesity, of poverty, of being sick, of having family illnesses. That's what EPX stands for, epigenetics, that you actually have the power to change your future and your bloodline through proper nutrition and supplementation. And I love that about our founder, Dan Putnam. He is the business mind, the visionary behind this company. And our co-founder, Matt Miller, is like our weight loss nutritional coach. He actually talks to us every Tuesday and shares with us what we need to do to become successful in our health. That is so important. A lot of businesses say, go out there, go out there, go out there. And meanwhile, you're out there making a good living, but yet you're slowly dying inside due to poor circulation, poor detoxification, poor nutrition, no matter what it is. But our corporate team really cares about the whole person, our finances, our wealth, and our health. And that's why I really, really, really appreciate all of the effort that they put in for us to be totally successful. A lot of you might not know, but our co-founder, Matt Miller, actually went on The Biggest Loser. He is walking the walk, not just talking the talk. He went on The Biggest Loser and got all of that valuable information from off the ranch. A lot of us go to these weight loss clinics, these weight loss retreats, paying thousands of dollars. We get this information for free every Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, on our EPX Body Challenge call. And in addition to that, he's put together our little pamphlet for us to follow, for us to help to lose weight. So for those of you who are interested in losing weight, we have the La Creme La Creme. We have the coach, Matt Miller, that was on The Biggest Loser, who's sharing those tips with us. And for those of you who are really business-minded and entrepreneur, we have our visionary, Dan Putnam, and together they make a power-packed team, and we're so blessed to have them. Okay, and also for number 4, I love the fact that we have a 90-day challenge where we pay people up to $10 per pound loss. That is absolutely phenomenal. A lot of companies will reward you, by putting a whole bunch of people into a competition and then picking, let's say, the top 3. But at EPX Body, we believe that everybody who even tries is a winner. We want to reward you, commend you, and pat you on the back for doing what you need to do for you. I commend Dan Putnam for even doing that. I mean, who does that? Pay you to lose weight up to $10 per pound. That is absolutely phenomenal. And this is just for using the products. It has nothing to do with the business, just about you taking care of you. So I absolutely love that. And number 5, this is for people who are entrepreneurial minded. Those type of people who say, you know what, I'm not happy with my retirement fund. I'm not happy with the fact that my children are not going to have enough for college. I'm not happy with the fact I still owe my home. I still owe my car. Oh, I hate my job. You guys, last part that I'm going to share, number 5, is so wonderful to be able to break that cycle of lack and poverty and stress due to not having adequate financing. You see, Dan Putnam made it so simple for us to make a good living with EPX Body that he said, you know what? Go ahead and follow my system. And I guarantee that you'll make $1,000 a month. Who does that? A $1,000 income guarantee. This is how confident he is in the business model and the products, that he guarantees an income. Also, he said, you know what? I know a lot of us have time constraints. A lot of us can't get on the phone and really operate our business like we would want to. So I'm going to give you a call center. I'm going to give you your web pages that you need. I'm going to give you the leads, people that are interested in a home business. I'm going to give you their information. Whatever you need, let's get it to you so that you can be successful and get your business up and running. And last but not least, EPX Body is 3 years old. That's absolutely phenomenal, you guys. You know what that means for you? That you can live in Arkansas, you can live in Tennessee, in a remote area of Colorado, and no one has heard about it yet. But that's what you want. For those of you who have studied economics or business trends, you want to get into a situation where you're the only one, where you're the go-to person in your city, in your state, where you're the lead runner. You want to do that now and build your state, build your city. Be that go-to person. It's so important that you understand that EPX Body is so easy to market. I mean, who can say that we pay you up to $10 per pound loss? Imagine that being on a flyer, on a car decal, or in a laundromat at a library. Don't you think people will call you? They don't have to call you. They can call your call center. So a lot of this is going to be explained in our team training. So for those of you who are entrepreneur-minded, who is hustlers, who wants to break that poverty, who wants to increase their income and lower their debt, then you may want to say, Kai, I think I want to talk to you a little bit more about being a referral partner. But if that's not your mindset, that's fine. That's not for everybody. Not everybody wants more income. You might say, Kai, it's okay. I just want to learn more about your nutritionals, or I need to lose weight, or I need more energy. Can you help me out? Yes, I actually can set up a free consultation with you. Just ask you a few questions, get you plugged into the right package and system, and actually go over a meal plan with you and get you set up and ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Those are my 5 top reasons why I believe EPX Body rocks and why I promote this system. So if you guys need anything, feel free to email me at kaispeaks@gmail.com. You have a blessed day.